Collecting water in Stranded Deep, a lifesaver.
Hey there, fellow survivors. Today, we're diving into the essential topic of collecting water using the still on your raft in Stranded Deep. Keeping hydrated is paramount, and knowing this technique can be a real game changer.
What is a water still?
In Stranded Deep, a water still is a device that helps you collect fresh water by condensing water vapor. The game's mechanics allow the player to construct this device using natural materials available on the island, like palm fronds and rocks. The distilled water gathers in a coconut flask or bucket, which can then be consumed to quench your thirst.
How to build a water still.
1. Gather materials. First, you'll need to find the required items. 2. 1 lashing 3. 1 coconut flask or bucket 4. 3 rocks 5. 3 palm fronds or fibrous leaves 6. Open the crafting menu. Go to the crafting menu and navigate to the water tab. 7. Build the water still. Choose the water still and place it on a suitable location.
How do I collect water from the still?
1. Wait for condensation. Once you have your still set up, you'll need to be patient. Over time, the sun will cause evaporation, leading to the collection of distilled water in the coconut flask or bucket. 2. Check regularly. Keep an eye on the water still. A droplet icon will appear once there's water ready for collection. 3. Collect the water. When ready, approach the still and press the Interact button. This might be E or X or another key, depending on your control settings. 4. Drink up. Ensure you consume the collected water to maintain hydration levels and keep your character healthy. There you have it. Now you're well equipped to collect water and stay hydrated while adventuring in Stranded Deep. Remember, water is vital, so always have a still handy and keep an eye on it. Stay safe, and may your survival journey be fruitful.